Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to be taking a look at a Ford Escape. We're going to start right away up front where you have factory fog lamps. A look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels wrapped with Michelin tires. Inside, leather interior. Seats are clean all the way throughout. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have dual point exhaust, rear backup sensors and camera, and a factory trailer hitch here on the back. Taking a look in the hatch now, there's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down. Power assist lift gate, so simply the press of that button, hatch folds itself down just like that. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Cruise audio and Bluetooth controls, full touchscreen that includes your stereo and navigation, dual climate control and dual heated seats. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Escape on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.